Welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video I'd like to show you how to find out Wi-Fi password while you are still connected to the network. First of all, click on Wi-Fi icon. Click on Network and Internet Settings. Next one, click on Network and Sharing Center. Next window will pop up. Here, click on name of your Wi-Fi network to which you are still connected. Wi-Fi status window will be displayed. Here, you can see all connection specifications and this button, Wireless Properties. So, click on it. Next window pop up, wherever first tab it is for connection, and second tab for security. Select Security. Here you can see security type, encryption type, and under Network Security Key, which is displayed in dots, but under available small checkbox called Show Characters. Click on it, and here Wi-Fi network password to which you are still connected. So this is so far the easiest way to find out from laptop Wi-Fi password. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing, press like button. If you have any comments, write it in comment section and I'll reply on it.